Alright, so this is the 4th year update of the SEM Color Coat vinyl paint or dye. It's holding up very well, and since my last video I've done the front seats too. It's about 3 years ago I did those, but it's holding up very nice. And it's been out in the heat in the summer. The only thing that I should have done differently is, and it says so in the instructions, some vinyls have some plasticide, I believe they're called, and those can come up to the surface and make it kind of sticky. So what you can do is, SEM has a product that you can apply to remove the stickiness. It's not much, it's not like if I put my hand down it's not sticky at all, but it's, for my car, it's where the seat vinyl meets other vinyl. It's a little bit, not much. But you kind of hear it sticking. I know it's not much, just a little heads up. But if it's possible for you to get the anti-tag or whatever it's called to get rid of the plasticide, I would highly recommend it. But overall, I really like this product. And I've done the front seats, the back seat, the plastic surrounding the seat, the headrest have been done. And so one of the next parts that I'll be doing is the dash. So yeah, if you're going to change the color of your interior, use some color coat. You still see the grain also in the vinyl, and it's pliable still. There's nothing, it just feels regular. You can't tell it's been painted or dyed. Yeah. So if you have any questions about the color coat or anything, how I did it or whatever, just write in a comment down below and like and subscribe. Okay, bye. Also, I have this used dash that I'll be trying to, well, recondition. It has some cracks, so I'll try to take the vinyl off and put some new vinyl on and get it color coded. So that's a future project that I'll try to see if I can get around to quite soon. Perhaps get some more videos out there. I don't know how this will do, but I'm gonna give it a go. You'll never learn if you don't try. Alright, take care.